Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a simple program where we add elements into an array using the until loop. So first of all, I'm going to create a subroutine here called add elements. Okay. I think I might be able to make that a little bit bigger there. Add elements. Okay. So I'm going to create an empty array using my array. So that's empty. I'm going to print out a message to the user telling them what to do. Add element. Or quit, so they can add an element or they can type in quit to quit the program. Right, I'm going to create a scalar entry to get user input, so we do a scalar variable and assign it to prompt, and then we just going to do that because we've already told the user what we want them to do, so they know now. Right, so we're going to go on to the until loop here, so we use until scalar entry, what the person has entered into the user input box, so until entry is equal to quit. I'm going to do quit in lowercase here. Until they type in quit, we're just going to update the array. So we do that. Array dot push. So we push the entry into the array. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use say here to print out the array so that we can see that we actually are pushing elements into the array. Alright, and then we go back to entry, assign that to prompt to get some more user input. Okay. Right, now what happens if the user types in quit? Just go outside here and print quitting program. Just going to type in exit there. So we can exit out of the program. Right, let's just save that. Okay, before we can run it, we're just going to have to call it. So it's going to be add, and the name of the program is elements. Right, let's just save it there. And now we've got the terminal open, so we type in Raku test.raku. To run it, let's hit enter. Okay, so we get the option to add an element here or quit. So I'm going to add an element, something like Dave. Okay. Right, so Dave has been pushed into the array. Bill. Okay, Steve, Joe. Okay, so you can see they're getting pushed into the array. Okay, it's time to quit the program, so I just type in quit. And there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.